Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your affiliate network with Admitad, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your affiliate network with Admitad, start by logging into your Admitad account. Navigate to the settings section in the dashboard. Under the settings menu, select security settings. Here, you'll find various options for enhancing your network's security. Begin by enabling two-factor authentication for additional protection. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device for verification purposes. Next, review your network's user permissions. Ensure that only trusted individuals have access to sensitive areas of your network. Regularly update user roles as necessary to maintain security. Proceed to audit your affiliate partnerships. Assess the quality and reliability of each affiliate to make informed decisions. Utilize Admitad's fraud detection tools to monitor suspicious activity. Activate real-time tracking and reporting features to stay informed on performance. Implement strict payment policies to safeguard your financial data. Establish clear guidelines for your affiliates regarding security practices. Communicate these policies to ensure all partners understand their responsibilities. Regularly back up your data to prevent loss in case of breaches. Create a response plan outlining steps to take in the event of a security incident. Conduct periodic security audits to evaluate your network's vulnerability. Stay informed about the latest security threats and trends in the affiliate marketing industry. Continuously educate your team and affiliates on best security practices. By consistently applying these measures, you can enhance the security of your affiliate network with Admitad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.